Here we go again. Happy days. Welcome to another edition of Rupert's weekly property show. Today from Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. And I'm just standing here on the second floor on the La Isla development and enjoy the 37 degrees of heat with quite a high humidity today. So it's about 70% humidity. So you really feel it. Well, it's summer now. We don't call it heat wave, we just call it summer. It comes back every year, normally the month of July and August. And as well this year the same happened again. They are talking about the heat wave and all that, but actually it's just summer. And I'm standing here today in quite a unique property because there is a quite limited quantity of this property type available. I lost the connection. Can't be. I'm fully here. Okay, well, yes, as I said, we're here today in a 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment in Rupert's weekly property show, and I'm showing you today here. It's quite a unique because there are only 22 of this apartment type available in all over the resort, which is a 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment with a massive wraparound terrace. And that's what you can see here. We have views, we have orientation to say from west to south to east to say. So it's really going round. It's a great, beautiful property, and it's even more a fantastic terrace up here. And as you can see, the views are breathtaking. In good days, you nearly see here the mountains in the Mar Menor, well, the islands. On the other side, we see here, well, behind there we have lemon groves, we have grapes, and this is more or less dry land here opposite over there behind the water feature, which is called the lake. Hence we are on La Isla, the island. Actually, it's a water deposit for the Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, but on the other side it provides that all property here on La Isla are first line lake. No? Happy days. Okay, so we are here now in this great terrace, I have to say, and I will show you soon the inside. But first, it's massive. This terrace is massive, and it provides as well always a shady side and a sunny side. So we are now on the shady side over here, and around the corner we have just been on the sunny side. Terraces are covered with awnings, as you can see here. There's another awning above the dining area, and well, it's just breathtaking here. So still on the terrace, but now let's walk into this property, but this time we start with the master bedroom, which is exactly over here. And just let us walk into the master bedroom. Boom! This was a door, sorry. Okay, there we go. So this is now the master bedroom, as you can see, fully fitted, fully kitted. We have a fitted wardrobe here, obviously. We do have air conditioning in this room, and we have a fantastic view as well from here, just looking outside here. This is amazing. Most of the bedrooms, well, 2 out of 3 are connected as well through the terrace. And the 3rd bedroom we will see soon. I missed the mirror. The 3rd bedroom we will see soon as well. There we go. So, now we come to the 2nd bedroom. There's another mirror placed here strategically, so it won't hit me today. As well with, in this case, 2 single beds, bedside table, and all that. Again, fitted wardrobes, again, air conditioned. The property is reference 3688 on Quality Homes Costa Calida's webpage, which is qualityhomescostacalida.com. You find it as well on Murcia Dreams, for example, in case you're looking through Murcia Dreams now, because we're also connected to murciadreams.com today. What I'm showing you here today is now the 3rd bedroom, as well equipped with air conditioning, but also with a massive fitted wardrobe. This is this is nearly 50% more space than a normal bedroom here on Condado de Alhama. So there's enough storage space. In between these 2 bedrooms, the master bedroom and the 3rd, we do have the bathroom, which is fitted with bathtub, as you can see, glass shower screen, well, and all the other mod cons necessary for a bathroom. I don't think there is much more to say about it. This time we can't avoid to see myself in the mirror. I hate it. And there we go. Here we see Anna now pretty relaxed today in the living room. which is, in comparison to a normal La Isla apartment, you would find over here then the kitchen, so it would be quite reduced. In this case, we have a separate kitchen, which is in its own room, which is pretty spacious to say, which means that we have also enough kitchen space, because this apartment caters at least for 6 people. No? So it's not the typical 2-bed, 1-bath on the island. No, this really has quite some significant differences compared to a normal La Isla apartment. And as we said, the most important is the lateral terrace. This really makes this place a home. Instead of just having a small kind of a cruise ship balcony, here we go with a real, I think it's nearly 100 square meters of terrace over here. So that's quite a figure to say. No? And the views, as I said, are really breathtaking over here. What we see down here is the community hut to say, so you'll find a small library in there, and there are also some exercise instruments over there. So, well, and it's a paradise over here. As you can see, the island is maybe the most exclusive part of Condado de Alhama Golf Resort, with its own access control through security guards 24/7. And as there is no commercial interest here, only those people who are really have something to do on site are allowed in. So this really makes also a difference to the other part of the resort, where due to the commercial interest, there might be more people driving in. Here we go, breathtaking views. What I haven't shown you yet is the outside cupboard over here. That's quite handy because on the one side we do have the washing machine. There we go. So that's quite handy as well. And on the other side, we also have here lots of storage. These places are always in need of storage. What we see here as well is the electric water heater, which is also combined with the solar support. So on top of the roof on the island, each property has its own solar support, which means that you will hardly need electricity to heat up the water. You know, here in Murcia we have about 320 days of sunshine, so this really marks a big difference compared to apartments without the solar support, especially now as energy prices have soared, and it doesn't look like that this will be reverted soon. So the solar support is really helping here. Nowadays, more and more people are interested in energy ratings and all that, and this is one of the strong points also on the island. Due to the solar support, the energy rating is far better than in a normal apartment here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. Having said that, as you can see, I haven't shown you before, is the second awning here. That's above the dining area. So you always have a shady space and you always have a sunny area. In the morning, it's exactly the other way around. You will have the sun here and you will have the shade over there. And then it turns around during the day. And as you can see, we have I would say at least 270-degree view over here, just following round and round and round we go. Round and round and round we go. It's amazing. So view-wise, you will definitely not be bored over here. As we said, the water feature we see here is actually an irrigation deposit for the resort, mainly for the golf course and for the gardens. So we have a beautiful setup here, all first-line lake to say. It's not first-line beach or golf. In this case, we are first-line lake. But still, and as it's a corner, and as you can see, there is no neighbor visible, no? So standing over here, we don't see anybody, no? We just enjoy the view here. Back there, behind these mountains, you will find the Mediterranean already. Behind these mountains, you will find Mazaron. We are about 20 minutes away from Mazaron port, and the closest beach in Bolnoyo is maybe about 25 minutes drive. So it's all in pretty good distance. Murcia capital is about 35 minutes, Cartagena as well about 35 minutes, so we are very well located. Good news as well for the golfers is that the golf course is back up and running, and the comments are pretty okay to say. After being shut down for 2 years, we are reading lots of positive comments about the golf course. There still seems to be some slight issues with the fairways, but I'm sure that the owner, G&K, will also be able to sort this and provide a fantastic Jack Nicklaus signature golf course experience. That's what we hope, at least. Okay, having said that, I think it's a great apartment. It's reference 3688. on qualityhomescostacaleta.com or as well on murciadreams.com. Asking price is 139,000 euros. Offers are obviously welcome and will be negotiated. Okay, so for today, I just need to say goodbye to Anna now. So, here we come again. Here we go. So, what do you think about this property?
What do I think? Oh, this is my favorite property type on the whole resort.
Really?
It doesn't get any better than this. the only downside, for being fully honest, is that there's only one bathroom. But
There's only one bathroom, yeah.
I think, have you explained the option that sometimes it's possible to add a second bathroom?
No, not yet.
Well, I'm
No?
telling you now.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes some people have done it. They have converted the wardrobe of the master bedroom into a wet room.
Ah, that's maybe a good idea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that solves the issue with the only having one.
Okay, because all the installation would be there already, no? So you just connect it to...
More or less,
Yeah.
take out the wardrobe and...
Yeah, and there is enough space, also cupboard space in the third bedroom and all that to bridge this problem.
A massive cupboard in the third bedroom, which is often used as an office or as a storage.
Yeah, yeah.
These apartments tend to get used for real residential
Exactly.
uses.
I also would see this rather as a residence, no?
Yes, there's quite a lot of them that we have for long-term rent.
Yeah.
We have quite a few of them rented out long-term, so
Yeah.
it's double doors now.
Okay.
So yeah, loads of potential.
This has potential,
Over here,
this
we have
place, yeah.
70 square meters inside.
Yeah.
It's the largest apartment type on the resort.
Exactly.
There's only 22 of them.
Yes.
So we're always very happy when we get one for sale.
Yep, no doubt about it.
Yeah, and all this breeze, oh my.
Fantastic,
We've been waiting for this breeze for days.
Well, it's still
not
36.
complaining.
It's still 36 degrees.
37.
37, sorry. Okay, there we go. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed the show today. We are back next week again on Thursday. We will go again to another resort. So stay tuned. Rupert's Property Show will again surprise you next week with another beautiful property in another golf resort. I won't tell you yet which one. I know it already. It's quite a nice apartment. I know it. So I'm looking forward to see you again next week. Thank you very much for listening and watching our show. And I'm really looking forward to see you again next week. Same time, same station. Cheers. Bye.